Hi everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you my experiment, and I found this product in Japan, and I purchased this one because I thought this is very interesting, and I will show you using this one to clean the veggies or the fruits. But I thought this is very unique product, and I want to try if this is really works. They're saying they melt pesticides or oil or those products.
I know grapes or the strawberries are the one of the worst pesticide or chemical fruits. So I wanted to use grapes this time. Do you wash grapes before you eat? I usually put water in the bowl and put vinegar and put grapes and soak about 10 minutes and rinse, then eat. But vinegar cannot melt pesticide. I think you can see oil look like stuff. I think those are the chemicals that's melting from fruits or vegetables and put on top of the water. So I saw similar things like this before, but I've never known that I can purchase something to wash veggie or the fruits like this in my home. And even so, with vinegar, the water gets really dirty, but this is really dirty and it's disgusting. And they said soak veggie or fruits in this water and powder about 5 to 10 minutes, which I did, and now I rinse off those stuff. I rinsed several times, but it seems like still I can see those chemical or the oil, the top of the water. It's not bad now. It seems like clean water. So I decided to do it one more time. And this is second time soaking, and I still see, not bad as before, but I still see some kind of stuff on the water. After soak in this water about 10 minutes, then now I rinse off.
It was really interesting, I think. I hope you enjoy my video today. And if you like my video, please thumbs up and also subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Thanks for watching and see you next time.